Hey Matt, my name is Jessica from Peterson SEO. I hope you don't mind this quick little video. I saw your post in the pool construction Facebook group, and I thought I should reach out to you with this video to show you how to get more leads coming in and boosting your online presence. Your website is 70% of your organic leads. So having your website optimized is really going to be critical for you. Um, so here we are on your website. And you have a decent looking website. I love that it's family owned. Um, but it doesn't look like there's much to your actual website. So Google does not rank a website based on appearance. They need content. Content is key. The more content you have, the better. Google wants to see 1,000 to 1,500 word minimum on your homepage, which is going after your buyer intent keywords. That's 150 words for every keyword that you're trying to target. And those buyer intent keywords are going to be the keywords people are actively searching for the services you provide in the service areas you provide them in. So you definitely want to add content to your homepage and your website and go after those keywords so Google can rank you. They have little robots called crawlers that go and index each and every one of your pages, going through your content to find those keywords so they can put your customers in front of you. Um, and you need a separate page for every individual service that you offer. And if you service multiple different areas, so if you're servicing outside of DFW, you definitely need service area pages as well, so you can go after those keywords and have customers find you in those locations. One of your top competitors in Dallas is the Tenhagen Excavating. Um, their website is not secure, so that's not a good thing. That can actually cause them thousands of dollars down the road if they don't get that fixed. Um, this is their website, and they also have a decent looking website. They have a little bit more content. Um, they're using a couple keywords, but the repetition really isn't there. Um, and that's about all they have. They have multiple service areas. They do have separate pages for each of their services, which is good. And you need to do the same thing. They have this entire service area, but they're missing the pages for those service areas. So they as well as you need to add service area pages so that you can be found in those areas. These guys are going to be super easy for you guys to beat by just adding those extra pages, content, and keywords, and then throwing a few backlinks at it. So this is Ahrefs that helps us to analyze how your website is performing. It is possible that this is a new website because it's just not showing any data at all. But because there's really no content, there's no keywords or traffic coming to your website. You have a 0 rank in Google's trust flow out of 100, and that's because you don't have any referring domains or backlinks. So you need a lot of backlinks, and not all backlinks are created equal, so you want to make sure they're good, high authority backlinks. If we look at your competitor, they only have a rank of a 0.1 out of 100 with 103 backlinks. So this shows you that not all backlinks are created equal because this score is so low. Most of these backlinks are no follows, are irrelevant to their industry, or spam. So you need high quality authoritative backlinks that are relative to your industry and that are do follows, and you need a lot more than your top competitors. This also looks like they're pushing all their backlinks to their homepage, which is okay for their homepage, but it doesn't actually help their service pages where they need to be found for their services and in their service areas. Because they have more content, they have more keywords indexed, they have 65, and they're seeing about 62 people to their website every month. So there's quite a bit of traffic that you guys are missing out on by not having your website optimized. Now, what a backlink is, it's when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant this website is that links to you, the more authoritative it is and the more power it's going to give you, especially if they are do follows. A do follow backlink will actually share this power with your website and help boost you in your rankings even faster. And then the other important factor is this backlink should also tie to your keywords you're trying to rank for so that those keywords can rank, and so Google can help your customers find you for those searches. And then the last thing I want to talk to you about is this Google Maps section or Google My Business page. You need to have a Google My Business page that is well optimized because 30% of people will come directly to this map section and won't go any further. So if you're not listed in the top 3 for your service area and your keywords for your services, you're handing all those leads to your competitors and leaving money on the table. So in order to be on the top 3, there's several factors, including your website performance. But the biggest factor is something called citations, which is the name of your business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a variety of places like Yellow Pages, Instagram, Facebook, etc. And you need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you follow all of these tips that I've provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google in your service area for your keywords. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can go ahead and apply all this information yourself, and that's completely okay because this is just an educational video. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. We are SEO experts, so if you do want help getting this stuff done and getting results, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.